Mental health hack number 20. During any holiday season, whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, birthday, or an anniversary of some kind, be thankful for your colleagues, friends, and family. But please, try to remember those who have lost loved ones to suicide. Suicide loss survivors often grieve alone during the holidays because of society's fear of acknowledging and talking about the impact of that kind of death. In fact, I want you to consider reaching out and call anyone you love or care for who has lost a loved one this way and ask if you can say a prayer for them, or if you're not a praying person, if you can just sit with them in silence to think about how much you cared for that individual, how important they were in this world when they experienced that pain. Better yet, ask if you can celebrate the life of the person or people that died on their birthday with gluten-free cake and a candle, and on that day, you're only allowed to talk about the good times. Remember the beauty of that person, their loving smile, their warm embrace, and share that with the people who lost them directly so they can have proper grieving time with them. Follow, like, and share for more value.